Guys, so it's me again, your girl, Ugo. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create the look I call my everyday glam look. So it's my everyday look with a bit of glam, like we're gonna go to the club and I can't think about no eyeshadow and stuff. This look, I cannot think about, just over painting. This look is it. Like constantly, this is the look I've been wearing for the past 3 months. No joke. No eyeshadow. Apart from my filming, this is how I just get on the go. And you do not need like any extraordinary eyeshadow palette or anything like that. All you need for this look is, just to have your perfect base laid down, some little eye action, and you're good to go. And don't forget lip gloss. Somebody say hallelujah when I say lip gloss. Amen. Oh, I'm feeling my sweatshirt. Feeling my sweatshirt. Feeling my sweatshirt. Sorry, I'm looking at the monitor and just feeling myself. Anyway, if you want to watch how I Anyway, if you want to watch how I achieve my everyday glam look, then please keep on watching. And if you know you won't get lit as well, keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to prime my skin, and to do that today, I'm going to be using the Yanga Beauty Prime Matte. I really like this stuff because I just like the way my face feels. So I'm going to just squirt a bit of that at the back of my hands. Squirt a bit of that back of my hand. Oh God. And just first, let's say hello to this. What is this? Next up, we're going to put some illuminating oil from TM Essentials. This is their face and body glow up oil. So normally, I just give it a shake. Just put a teeny bit around my face. Just massage it in because I like my face to look dewy. I just like the dewy skin. Like, I don't know why. I love dewy skin. I don't know why. So I just tap it in and it's basically on top my primer. And yeah, so I'm primed, I am glowing, and I am ready to go. How about that? The foundations I'm going to be using today are from Black Opal. So the two shades I like to mix are Black Opal True Color Truly Toppers and Black Opal True Color Hazelnut. I put like a tiny bit of hazelnut because I just don't like my face. I like looking a bit blonde because I'm going to highlight with something really light and then contour. So I don't like my foundation being like light, but my shade is still my perfect shade. The reason why I also mix is because Truly Toppers is my perfect shade in their stick foundation, but this one is just a tiny bit lighter, so I just like to mix it. Sometimes I even mix this with the Truly Toppers in the stick foundation. It depends on what I'm going for, but just go in with any foundation you want, girl. I'm talking to that much. So I'm just going to take my foundation that I already mixed and just put that all over my face. If you see me looking here, I'm looking into my monitor. Yes. Oh, when you mix the perfect shade. For concealer, I am going to be using the Kevin Aquan concealer in SX10, numero 10, I don't know what the, I don't, why am I even bothering myself? I love this concealer so much. It's so creamy and a little goes a long way. Unfortunately, the one I bought wasn't my perfect shade that I would have loved to buy, but I'm working on getting that shade. Will this ring stop turning? I'm working on getting that shade. So for now, I make use of this, but I use a really tiny bit. So I just dip in the brush really lightly, and this can literally highlight both under eyes. Literally, just watch. In fact, I just feel like I took a lot right now. So as you can see, it's quite light. The concealer is quite light, but I make it work. That's what I do. Make shit work. Just gonna put some on my nose, put some here. As you can see, I mixed my foundation on a plate. I'm just gonna take what's left of that foundation and just use that to blend my concealer in and to also balance out the color. It's not that white, to be honest, but I just like being careful. It's so easy to blend. Oh my god, so easy. Can do. Next, I'm going to go with my Black Opal Stick Foundation in the color Out Chocolat. It's AU then Chocolat. So I don't know if it's French or Spanish or I don't know, man. But that's what it is. That's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be making use of this Glam beauty brush. So I'm just going to start by saying hi to this stupid pimple first. And then we're just going to tap. I don't swipe, I tap. And just keep tapping it in to all the places I want to contour. See that? Also going to contour the forehead just a bit because I have a very small forehead, but I just have to bronze it up. Sorry. Next, I'm going to take the round part of my beauty blender and just bounce it in and just blend everything together seamlessly. To set my face in place today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Blondie. So I'm just going to take this and set everywhere I concealed, including my whole face. I'm just going to set both under eyes real quick first because I have so many under eye lines. So many. Like, I have to hurry. This is me baking because I'm going to dust half of this away in 1 second. Now with my Glam beauty brush, I'm just going to use the same powder to set my whole face. Oh, so good. It smells so nice. So why I like to do this is because I don't want to go like heavy full glam and all that. If I wanted to go like heavy full glam, after setting my face with this, I would then go in with like a pressed powder. But for today, I just want to go like, you know, easy glam. And like I said, I was done baking, so I'm just going to dust that away as well. Next, for brows, I'm going to go in with the Bomb Brow by Beauty King. I think that's what it's called, Bomb Brow by Beauty King. And this is the medium shade, or this is dark brown. So I'm just going to do my brows real quick off camera and I'll be right back. Now to this glam eye look, what I do is very simple. I take any concealer that's already like my exact shade. I'm going to put that on my lid. Just put a bit on my lid. Yeah. After that, I'm going to take a brush and just blend that in. Ooh, what's in my brush? Just going to blend this in. I put too much concealer. Oh God, I can't do this to myself. But yeah, I'm just going to blend this in with a brush. Okay, it's not too much. So now, after doing that, I'm going to go in with a powder. I prefer to use like a shimmery powder, maybe like the MAC Skinneralize. Wow. So I prefer to use shimmery powders. I can either use this sleek powder or this Iman powder, anything shimmery, honestly, because I just want to add a bit of pop to it. If I was in like my normal everyday look where I just want to just rush out, I can use any powder, preferably a matte powder. But these powders have a bit of shimmer in them, so preferably I like to use these two powders. Yeah. So first, I'm going to just set my brow bone area with my setting powder, the powder I used to set my face. Like, you guys already know what I'm talking about. So for my lid, I'm just going to take a Glam Beauty fluffy brush, so fluffy, and this Iman powder. Just going to use that to set my lid. So it gives me like that nude eyeshadow look. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. So next, we're going to take my contour powder. This is the powder I love using to contour my face. This is Zaron Maxi Blend Compact Powder in the shade XZ25. What is all the XZs I'm using today? And I'm just going to swirl in there a bit, contouring my eyes, because basically I'm doing what I did on my face highlight and contour on my eye. It's just a bit more intense. And just bring it into my nose because it's also my contour powder. Like, you already know that. And doing all this, I'm avoiding the brow bone. So next, I'm going to use a mascara, and the one I'm using today is the Zaron Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black. Obviously, they have the blue one, I think. Normally for my everyday look, I might not fix lashes, but who am I kidding today? We're doing everyday glam. So With my everyday look, I'll be very honest, I still fix lashes. So I'm just gonna pop up some lashes and I'll be right back. So lashes are on, and my lashes are by at King Feromi. No, lashed by King Feromi on Instagram. I will link it down below because I threw away the pack and I can no longer find them. This is my favorite pair from her. She gave me two and I've been using this one, like this is like my 7th time of using it. I just take out the glue and I put it back on my eyes. Just like, wow, that's a baby girl. So I'm just gonna take some of that Xyron powder I used to, you know, bronze up my eye, which is also my contour powder, and just really bronze up my face. I have a mirror here, I have my monitor here. I swear, I feel like I don't know what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna do, you know, bronze up the forehead as well. Just a bit, just tiny little bit. And of course, I will not forget the jaw. Yes. Using the same brush I used to contour my eye, I'm just going to continue the contour and bring it down to my nose. Yes. And just keep going like that. Now that the contour is done, I'm just going to take my pencil. I'm just going to use this color on my lower lash line, and this is where the everyday glam comes in full effect. It's just like it takes my eye look from like to like, oof, oh, what did she do to that eye? And literally it's just lower lash line drama. I am all about the lower lash line the lower lash line drama. I love it so much. It just gives you that look, like that like you did something special, but really it's just some lower lash line drama. That's what I'm saying. This is a really bright blue. This color is really for the bold, and I want you guys to just see what I'm working with right now. Just look at this. Oh, full effect. And it's so easy. You don't have to tug your eye. It just glides on so well. I'm in love. Normally I like to bring it like really down, like I like to bring my lower lash line, like I like to bring the color like really down, like down, but this color is so bold, so I don't want to like overdo it, you know. I just want to put it in the waterline and like on the lash line. That is just stunning. That is, look at that color. Oh my god. Oh, like now I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line as usual. Oh god. Next I'm gonna go in with some blush from Sleek. This is in the style Life's a Peach. I love peach blushes. I love peach blushes. I'm just gonna swirl in there. I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Oh wow. I didn't see that coming. Next, I'm going to go in with the Nuban Beauty, the Glow palette. I'm going to take that and dust that on my cheeks really lightly. Really good. I'm going to put it on my forehead as well. And let's not forget the tear duct area. No, we cannot. Here. Very lightly. Next up for lips, first up, I'm going to line my lips with this ridiculously short cork pencil. I'm just going to use that to line my lips real quick. After lining, I'm going to use the MAC Cream Sheen Nude and just, you know, put that in the middle. This is like my combo for life. Next, I'm going to go with these glosses from Alice Claire. The first shade I'm going to go in with is called Vintage, and it's just very iridescent. It's a very iridescent shade. I love it. Oh yes, I'm just going to use that to top up. And the next shade I'm going to go in with is called Undressed, also from Ellis Claire. And I'm just going to use that to give my lips a bit more shine, you know, just like that. And to seal this yummy goodness in place, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. My eyeliner is popping. Okay, let's be serious. Hope you guys like it. I love it so much. I look glam but not too serious, but like ready to roll. Like, let's go there, take me there, I want to go there. Take me, hey. Sorry, I mean, I know. Anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. This is my everyday glam look. Lower lash line drama, and the rest is history. Glowy skin, glowy face, you know. And yeah, I just hope you guys like it, because I really like it. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, follow me. It is BB by Ugo on Instagram. It is BB by Ugo on Snapchat, and it is BB by Ugo on Twitter as well. I hope you guys love this look. I love it so much. It's just giving me like, I'm just looking like a baby girl. That's basically what it is. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.